Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add AI chatbot to Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to access our dashboard for our Wix website. In this case, go to wix.com, log into your account, and access the store or website that you want to add a chatbot on. In this case, once you've accessed that, we need to edit our site first. So usually in the setup or the home page section, you should see a edit site at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click on it, and that should open up the editor for your website. In this case, since we want to add a chat bot, we need to add an app for it. In this case, at the left panel, you should look for the add apps icon. So typically it's going to be represented by a square icon. In this case, let's go and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to go to the search app section and just type in chatbot, press and enter. And once you've done that, look for the appropriate application or app that you want to use. So for example, maybe I want to use the Wix chat option here, which is actually free to install. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, what we need to do is just click on add to site. And from here, it's going to start installing it into your website. But once it's actually installed, you should see an icon that says Let's Chat at the bottom right of your screen. Now, in this case, if you want to edit your chat here, you can go and click on Settings here. And from here, you should be able to see the Wix chat options. So that includes the main option, so manage chat, open inbox, or even quick actions here. Set up email notifications, schedule online chat hours, chat on Wix owner app. I also have the display options here, so bottom left or bottom right. You have design options if you want to update your business logo, minimize chat, background messages, header, border, and a lot more. You also have the text here, which includes business or website name and a lot more, and chat form, notifications, automations if you want to add automations on it, channels, member chat, and a lot more. Now in this case, once you've added or edited all the necessary details for your chatbot here, you can go and click on publish at the top right here to proceed with your changes, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.